So sorry,
Not as sorry as you're going to be! Postman Pat! Postman Pat! Postman Pat and his black and white cat!
Thomas could see Pat was angry. But
Oh, mother of God! Ah!
Thomas was very confused. The postman seemed to have forgotten that Thomas was made of solid steel.
I've forgotten nought. But it looks like if I want to kick your shiny metal bum, I'm going to need to put my back into it. First up to bat, Postman Pat!
Thomas did feel sorry for the poor postman, but he didn't like being hit in the face one bit. Please stop, Pat. I know you miss your cat, but ow, said Thomas. Ouch, that actually hurt me, you crazy little human, said Thomas.
There's more than one way to crack a nut.
The horrible postman had clogged Thomas.
It's time to turn up the heat. Oh, that looked painful. Well, that's what you get when you mess with a train, you crazy bastard! Later.
Thomas was puffing along, happy that he'd lost that horrid little man once and for all.
Ding! Next stop, bullets upon a van. I know it doesn't quite work, but it lets you shooting bastard!
What the actual fuck, said Thomas.
Now, what's your language, choo-choo?
To have friends in high places, thought Thomas.
So I left a package with your neighbour.
Harold, no! I'll kill you!
Ha! Hurts, don't it, lad? Well, not to worry. You won't be feeling anything much longer. What goes up must come down! That's made Pat a really happy man. What the... Ow! Bugger me, I forgot!
Mate, again? It's even the same hand. Well, let's put you out of your misery.
You'll have to catch me first, mega twat.
That's Thomas Prime to you, shitbox!
Going anywhere, lad. After all, I'm stuck to you like tape. What?
Oh, you son of a...
Step on it, Alf! What's the matter, gun dummy? Never saw Empire? That's a wrap on you, Thomas the Wank Engine!
I'm an incredibly massive and enormous robot, and that was just some sellotape, you cocked-nosed brain!
Oh. You've got a point there, lad.
Speaking of points... Special delivery, bitch!
I forgot it could do that.
Trust Royal Mail not to deliver.
Time to depart. This train will now terminate.
You're not the only one with French, you steamy arsehole! Warriors of Greendale, assemble! With our power combined, we're going to deliver you straight to hell!
Not another delivery pun.
Ow! It was an accident! Oh, look, I'm sorry!
You never learn.
Turn, do you, Robocock? Well, I've got just the thing to teach you a lesson.
School's out, you tin twat!
Please, let's be friends!
Maybe we've met before. Let's send you to the hereafter, first class. Say hi to your mate Harold for me.
Holy crap, Harold! I totally forgot that you killed him, you sanctimonious shithead!
Selby! No!
To think I was going to let you walk away!
Postman Pat never runs from a fight!
A fight? You think just because you're in a mech, you're a match for me? You see, you're just a stack of vans and milk floats, while I'm made of mother-f***ing trains. You never stood a chance. Any last words?
Can you fix it?
What?
I wasn't talking to you.
Yes, we bloody can!
You and the gang ready for some fun?
Working together, we'll get the job done.
Concrete situation.
You and what army?
Take that!
Ho ho! I love a good stamp. Okay, old friend. Think you can fix it one more time?
No, I f***ing can't. You see the size of that thing, you mad old git? I'm out.
Fine! Run away, Bob the bastard!
I'm tired of being your caboose.
Wakey, wakey.
What? What? Where am I? I thought I was...
Dead. Of course you are, little postman. Now you belong to me. Bones. Or am I missing something?
Oh, Lucy. You seem to think I'm trapped down here with you. But the truth is, you're trapped down here with me.
Said a very inebriated Gordon.
Don't you f***ing talk for me. If you say one more word, there'll be just poor left.
Don't tell me you fell off the wagon again.
It's my birthday, and someone, not you, a little rowdy. And then this shitty shit flame came out of nowhere. Now everybody keeps screaming.
Look like Pat. Cars look like Pat. Cows look like Pat.
Okay, we get it! I'm barely hanging on here, Richard. Do this! Oh, for f***'s sake. Who's doing this to us?
Oh, you know that.
Pat.
Ding, ding! Give the train a prize!
No, you can't be here. You died. It's over.
Over? Not by a long shot. It'll just get worse and worse until you come face me and we settle this once and for all. Unless you're scared, you big blue bollocks.
I'm not scared of you. I've kicked your ass once, and I'll kick it again. On my way, bitch. Look, this doesn't concern you, Satan. Pat has to answer for his crimes. He killed the normal-sized controller.
Easy as falling off a log, my murderous little choo-choo. You see, you're already standing on mine.
What the? Those freakishly large enough as it was.
Your God won't help you here, you Pacific Rim job.
Oh, more puns. I really am in hell. Well, while I'm here, I suppose I may as well blow your giant smug face off!
I can't believe you fell for it. Come down here and face me. Like you stand a chance in hell. You're in my world now, Buttercup. But don't worry, you'll soon get to grips with it.
Let me go, you demonic dick face!
Stay still and let me kill you.
Weird bullshit!
Kill you? Now? You're not getting off that easily, you moggy mangler. This letter always ended with you being tortured in hell for eternity, but you just added a PS. While you're cooking, me and my new powers will pay a visit to your friends. Trains, planes, automobiles and the rest. Every stupid vehicle with a face on the planet will have a little makeover.
No, you can't!
Oh, I can't, little chinwag. You've got an infinity of pain and anguish to experience, and I know how you hate to be late. Down the hatch!
Pat, please wait! Wait! Pat, damn you! Fight me, you coward!
I'm Fireman Sam, working in the noobs for the big red fella. Whoever that happens to be at the moment.
Nice to meet you, Sam.
They've been waiting a long time. Don't worry. All you need is a little fire in your belly. What a little pumpy thing this is like. Whoa!
You mad bastard! Stop!
Not bad at all, lad. The last train we had in here was melted to slag before now. Little engine could my arsehole.
Just so close. I can do it. I can. Power capable of taking out the devil himself?
I sure have.
Brilliant. What is it?
The power of friendship.
Oh, fuck my life. Face it, goat-ass. With my heavenly form, enchanted weapons, and magical steed, you don't stand a chance. Please stop butting in, Purse. I've got this.
Glitter pants. Neither does that tacky sword or your little rainbow donkey.
I'm a unicorn, you mean, mean postman!
Please.
It's made of jagged brimstone, totally within my psychic control, and right underneath your caboose.
What the hell?
Exactly!
I'm willing to try. There's good inside you, Pat. Somewhere very, very deep inside. And I'll do anything I can to help you find it.
Anything?
Anything.
Well, in that case, I want my cat back, you son of a bitch!
Don't do this!
Never! Neither snow, nor rain, nor heat, nor any of that other bollocks will stop me from killing you! Jess?
Huh?
Oh, shut it! Jess? Jess, I just miss you so much! Speak of the devil. Hello, Harold.
Said the nightmarish zombie creature that was Harold reborn?
Come on, you silly moggy.